Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we'll discuss about a topic project cost management and what is its detail as per the PMI PMBOK project management body of knowledge. We will discuss this topic in detail today. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. Project cost management. Friend, project cost management is basically a process of estimating, budgeting and controlling cost throughout the project life cycle with the objective of keeping expenditure within the approved budget. Basically, in simple sense friend, whenever we are implementing projects, so our main objective, one of our main objective is that we have to complete project within the estimated cost. For example, the project cost is $5,000. So this is the criteria, this is our objective as a project manager, that we must have to complete the project within the budget. Because see, if it is ahead, if it is over budget, that means we are completing the project with a loss. So what is the success criteria of a project friend? The success criteria of a project, that we can say that it's a successful project, there are four criteria. First of all, it delivers the requirement and scope as per the scope document. It provide, it complete, it fulfill the requirements of quality, it complete within schedule and complete within budget. So see, this is the fourth criteria which is very important as per the cost, that it should be completed within the budget. Now friend, how to control the cost? What is the steps for project cost management? The first step is that the resource planning friend. Whenever we are implementing projects, we have to identify the resources required to accomplish a project. Resources means human resources, hardware resources, software resources. Time is also a resource. So the first thing is that we have to plan the required resources for to complete a project. Then the cost estimation. Cost estimation means that how much cost will be required to arrange those resources. For example, you need uh, 3 servers for a production. Okay, so how many, what will be the cost to arrange this hardware? You need any particular software for software designing. So what will be the cost? You need 5 software designers. So how much will cost to arrange these 5 resources? So cost estimations means that friend, you will first of all you will identify the resources, then you estimate the required cost to arrange those resources. Then the next point is the cost budgeting. Cost budgeting means friend, that you allocate a cost for those resources. Like you identify that for example, hardware resources, software resources, human resources. Let's suppose you need $2,000 for all those resources based on your estimations. So what you will do, you will allocate a budget, for those resources, that to complete this project, for example, you need $2,000. So you allocate a cost of $2,000 for this project in a budget. That is basically the concept of budgeting. Then the cost control. Cost control means friend, that you identify the variances. Like for example, you first of all you establish a baseline. Baseline means that the you performance measurement, the main objective is performance baseline. For example, you baseline that you must have to complete a project within $1,500 cost. Let's suppose this is your baseline, that you must have to complete the project with a baseline with a cost of $1,500, for example. So if there is any variances, like while the execution of project, you estimate that your budget, your cost will be more than $2,000. So that means there are variances. There are you will obviously complete the project with the loss. So you must have to take the corrective action so that you can complete the project within the required cost. So that is called as the concept of cost control. That means the measuring the cost variances from the baseline and taking the appropriate action. So thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.